The Western Digital WD_Black take advantage of irrational PSI Gen 4 and speeds up to 7000 MB/s2 read and 5300 MB/s2 write. 1 TB model, for a responsive and seamless gaming experience. One drive to play what you want. Store and play your favorite PS5.
Welcome back again to my page, my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can install your SSD to your PlayStation 5. I just got this PlayStation 5 and it came with just 825 gigabytes, and which is not enough. You know, these days games are more like, more gigabyte now. Every day the increase of games are just somehow, so I decided to get an SSD so that I can increase my storage. I bought 1 terabyte just to increase it, because as at the time I went, it was only this one they have, but I was thinking of getting 2 terabytes. But anyway, I'm going to just hold this one first to see. So now, if you are going to buy this one, because this one is the best as now. Western Digital is very well known, popular, and when you are buying, make sure you buy that have the heat skin. Okay, so it is the best. Okay, so I'm going to show you now how we are going to install it. Okay, so you are going to have a screwdriver. Okay, then I will show you now how you can open it and install it. Do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and give a like so that the algorithm will share this video to more wider audience. Okay, thanks. Here is it. When you are going to open it, you will hold it at the back here, and this place is the back. This is the back here. As you can see, this is the back, this is the front, this is this side. Okay, this side is going to be up. Then you hold it here like this, and hold your hand here, and you raise it up a little bit up, then you push it back. You raise it up, you push it back like this. Okay, see, it's open. It's very easy. Then we are going to open this very space here. We are going to open here. Here is where we are going to install the SSD. Okay, so we open. When you open, we have other screw that you are going to open again. There's one screw you will open here again. You open here again. This is screw here, as you see. So as you can see, when you open the first cover, when you open the first cover, this is the first cover. Then you are going to. There's one screw here. You will open this one. We will lose this one now. Don't lose the screw. And this one you see here now, you are going to, there's one, let me show you. Don't lose this one, you see. Don't lose this one, okay? You are going to pull this one at this space here. You put it here. It's going to be here. okay, in this hole, just from here to here. Okay, you're going to place it like this. You will hear a noise. Okay, you will hear a noise. You see, you will hear a noise. It's going to also like pin. It will pin. You know, just like so. Don't forget, don't leave this one open. Make sure you cover it. Okay. You put it right. When you put it right, then you put the screw. Put the screw. You put the screw back. Then you tie it. Screw it again. Okay. After installing it, so you are going to cover it back. Okay, with the cover. You will just put it like this, like. You are going to push it. This is the way you go out before, you remember. And now when you are putting it back, you put it like this. You press here. You will hear it. You will hear the pin. You see. Now it's going to pin. So you see, now it recognizes the SSD, so we have to format it. Okay, we format it, and it's very fast, so we are ready to go.